Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to design this beautiful interlinked jewelry ring model in SolidWorks step by step from scratch. So let's make this video special. Let's aim for 25 likes. I hope you all will complete my aim. Our first we will be using a circle. I'm going to select front plane and sketch. The circle diameter is 40 mm. And the next step, use sweep feature as you can see on my screen. So this way our base ring has created. Again select front plane. Now sketch. Choose circular profile. The diameter will be 2 mm. This is our third step. Go to direct editing, select move and copy, select swept 3. The translate is 4.8 mm. Reverse the direction, 1.8 mm, reverse the direction and OK. Sorry, downward direction, so reverse this. Select this body and move command, uncheck this, so it must be in a upper side. Next I am going to create a sketch on front plane. Draw a center line, horizontal and this angular. Next step is very important. Go to the reference geometry and select coordinate system. The position will be this point and the y-axis will be this tapered and OK. So this way we have created a new coordinate system. And then I'm going to use direct editing. Select move copy, rotate it. X direction will be 10 degree, negative 10 degree. Okay, it must be in a upper side twisted and OK. Again select front plane, select center line, select center line, select origin point, this coordinate system and draw like this a center line. Perfect. Another center line will be this to that. Draw like this. The angle, sorry, this line and this line, the angle will be 4 degree. Again draw a one line from this point to that point. Sorry, the angle is 8 degree. And then I'm going to mirror these 3 or 2 lines, mirror about this center line and OK. We have completed almost 40%, and now I'm going to create a plane. Select this line and the second reference will be front plane and OK. Select this plane 1 and create a sketch. I am going to use hidden line visible. Draw a circle in this origin of x direction. The circle diameter is 6.5 mm. I am going to use swept base feature circular, and profile will be this circle, and the diameter is 2 mm, and unmerge the result. Okay. Select sketch and remove this relation. Delete this relation and drag it like this, and OK. Now the next step, go to direct editing, move and copies, select this and select this coordinate system origin. I am going to select Z direction, rotation will be -8, and copy this. Perfect. Select sweep 4. I am going to reduce the diameter. I am going to use 1.5 mm, so it looks thinner as compared to previous one. Go to front and normal it. Select move and copy. Select this body. Rotation point will be coordinate system, and the angle is 8 degree. However, I need 2 bodies, so go to move and copy 4 and make it another copy as well. So there are 4 number of bodies. Hide this. The next step, I am going to create an axis, top plane and right plane, and OK. Now go to the circular pattern. The direction will be this, axis 1, and bodies oops, I can't select this. Bodies will be this body, these 4 bodies, carefully select, and the direction 1, axis 1, and the pattern, the number of pattern will be 6, and OK, or 5. I am going to select number of patterns will be 5. This way we have designed this jewelry. This is interlinked jewelry ring. I am going to use appearances, select gold, polished gold, and OK. If you enjoyed this tutorial, learned something new, don't forget to like button. I have an aim, let's hit that target of 25 likes. Subscribe for more SolidWorks design, and I'll see you in the next video.